Perfect package just arrived as I'm packing for vacation. Detox Market's April box featuring Agent Nature. It includes a 3-step starter kit that's travel size and a full-size eye serum. Starting with the 3-step kit, this is the holy oil. Smells amazing. This promotes youthful looking skin and gives you an amazing glow. Next up is holy water. This is a toner that aims to reduce the look of redness, blemishes, pores, fine lines. The third and final product that's included in the 3-step starter kit is something I've never seen or used before. This is called Holy C. It's a powdered vitamin that can be mixed with your own moisturizer. You can see that's what I'm doing there, or even mix it with your SPF or serums that you have, and then you apply it to the skin. Last but not least, this is Holy Glow. This is actually a full-size product. It has a cooling gel-like texture, so feels really nice on the skin. It targets dark circles, dry, tired eyes, and also lips. We love a product that has more than one use. This is a really well-rounded skincare lineup, and it made my pack-in so much easier. I'll be taking all of these to take care of my skin while I'm away.